Hello, I'm Chiquito.
I'm Pauli.
We are from Argentina, company Gato Blanco Gato Negro, first time in Lublin.
Yeah.
And our first impression was a very nice show with very nice audience.
Muy bonita.
The city seems to be very nice, and we share our show Atempo. We do clown, acrobatics, archery, and we feel like the audience likes it, so that is important for us to see the people enjoying what we do.
Excellent.